Now that I have a couple of virtual machines created, one of the things you need to be aware of is when you're not using the virtual machine, we can simply shut it down or we can put it in a save state. If my virtual machine, my RTS DC1, if I am not going to use that right now, you're done with working through configurations and you don't want it consuming resources on your machine, then you can simply right click and there is an option to save. When you do that, it will save the virtual machine state. So that whatever windows you have open, whatever tools you're using, when you go back and start the virtual machine, it is simply going to carry you back to that same exact point. But the benefit is it no longer consumes resources while it's in a saved state. You could also shut this down normally. You could just log into it like any computer, go to start, shut down, just like you're on Windows 10, and it will completely power off. Now, these virtual machines, if you right click, there is an option to turn off. Never choose that. That is equivalent of pulling the power plug out of a machine, and it could actually crash a machine. So that we don't want to do. You would only use that if a machine has hanged itself and there's no other way to shut it down. Normal shutdown does not work. Only then would you use turn off. And you can also right click a machine and shut down from here. This will initiate the shutdown process on the virtual machine, just telling the virtual machine to actually shut down. But the preferred option is to actually log into the machine and click shut down if that's what you want to do. So either shut it down from inside the operating system itself with start shutdown, or just click save would be the preferred options.